Today in our Tuesday's Child Report, a home for Calvin. NBC 10's Patrice Wood tells us about a successful match for this child who needed a permanent home.
Calvin is only 6, but he's already a star, born for the stage. He couldn't wait to get a hold of our microphone.
Get up, get out of my head.
He's an outgoing little guy, not shy at all about showing off his dance talents at Dance Attitudes in Pawtucket. He does it all.
Tap, ballet, jazz, hip-hop, and acro.
And when he recently got all dressed up for a competition and looked out at the big audience, well, he was in heaven.
This big.
And what did they do when you danced?
They were like, "Woo, Calvin!"
And that's not all. He's also a model, appearing in Family Fun magazine.
Calvin is quite the entertainer. He sings and he dances, and now he has the most important thing of all, a permanent audience, parents who love him.
Calvin has been adopted by Jamie Rado and Marcia Fernandez. They started out as foster parents, but when he became free for adoption, they didn't hesitate.
Mommy just likes to cuddle with me.
That's nice.
Because she's a lover.
She's a lover. Okay.
She's a lover, she's a cooker.
Jamie and Marcia want to encourage others to adopt. Their family and friends have been key to their success. Here they all are on Adoption Day.
We just have a lot of support around us, and so for us it was easy.
Once you fall in love with somebody, it's natural. It's simple.
For Calvin too.
I tell them that I love them
How much?
very much.
Patrice Wood, NBC 10 News, Pawtucket.
What an engaging young man. Yeah, one parent is a lover, one's a cooker. Well, if you'd like to know more about adopting a child in state care, all you have to do is call Adoption Rhode Island at the number on your screen or log on to turnto10.com. And of course,